Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very beautiful designer sleeves. So you can do both on the sleeve and also on the blouse back part. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. So before starting the video, you're going to fix this fabric in a frame and keep a center point, and you're going to draw a small line around that in an equal way. So I'm using a Fevicol fabric glue, and it is the best glue you can say. So just put a small drop in the center, and I'm going to just fix a stone, and to the sides I'm going to use a beautiful royal blue color stone like such. And this stone is stretchable. If you want, you can just stretch the stone at the top and bottom. You have a small pinhole, so you can see that in close up. So if you want to stretch the stone on the fabric, make sure first you stick the stone on the fabric and let it dry completely, and then if you want, you can stretch this stone. So when you buy a stone from the shop, make sure you ask for the stone that can be stretched. Okay, it's available in the shop that both the teardrop and the normal small size stone is everything is stretchable, not just by gluing that together. So now I'm just putting some generous amount of glue and I'm sticking that. So in between these I'm going to use a silver color bead like this. So same teardrop shape. Okay, and it's very simple and very easy to make. Even beginners can try this, and it just came out really nice. And to the center of this silver, I'm going to add another small tiny beads like this. So these are called as the kundan stones. So if you want to buy out, make sure you ask for the kundan stone. So same pattern I'm going to repeat. So you're going to repeat the same pattern all over the sleeves, and in between that you're going to have another kind of flowers also. So now I'm going to stick the same on the next side, that is the down part of that flower like this. Okay, so little by little I'm going to use the glue. Make sure you use a generous amount of glue. No, don't worry about having the glue is popping out of the bead, because once it's dry it's going to look like a transparent. So the more glue you use, it's going to stick really nice. And you can see this much is enough. It have to come out of the bead, that is the concept. It's going to hold nicely when it comes like that. And like little by little I'm going to finish off the work. So if you want this fabric glue or the frame that I'm using for this blouse fixing, it's in the description box. Everything, the link is in the description box. If you want, you can buy from Amazon. So in between these blue color stone color of flower, I'm going to add another flower by starting with a beautiful red color at the center, and I'm going to fix a silver kundan stone all around like this. Okay, you can try this method on your neckline also, like kurti and kurta neckline. It's going to look really beautiful. And see, it's going to come like this. And all around I'm going to add a small glue, and I'm going to fix the red color stone on the point of the silver color like this. Okay, so you're going to repeat these. Make a two blue color flower like this, and in between that you're going to make a silver flower like this. So yellow, silver, and blue, everything is going to be a vibrant color, and it's going to look really nice. And hope you like this video. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, please do subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.